Hey guys, Joey here with World of RV Parts. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Suburban water heater SW-10DE, direct spark ignition, gas electric. And the part number again is SW-10DE. Manufacturer part number on this one is going to be 5243A. And the it is a 10-gallon water heater. It holds 10 gallons of water. That's the capacity of it. It's 12-volt DC direct spark ignition gas heating system. It also has a 120-volt AC heating element. The ignition type, direct spark, we went over that. The depth is 20.5 inches. The width is 16 and 7/30 seconds. The height is 16 and 7/30 seconds. Suburban calls this the best water heater on the road today to match the requirements of almost any RV indoor mounted switch controls, the water heater ignition and operation. It does have a DSI warning light. You do have to buy the switch if you don't already have it. A lot of you may just be replacing your water heater. In this case, it would be a direct replacement. It comes with a limited 2-year warranty and has a resettable ECO and T-stat, which is right there on the front. If you look in here that we got pulled up here, it says push to reset. So then down below, that's the burner. It does need a anode rod replaced when it's time to replace it. It comes with a magnesium one, and over time, aluminum and steel don't get along, so the actual anode rod fights to save the aluminum, the steel tank in these water heaters. So a lot of these parts are replaceable. The TPT valve, which is the pressure release valve, the gas valve, the burner, the igniter, and the actual exhaust housing in it. But if you guys have any questions on it, feel free to comment below. I will post some links in the video of where you can pick this water heater up for a good price. And we'll see you guys in the next video. And thank you for watching.